Hi everyone, it's Chloe here from Chloe Bruce Academy, and today we're going to teach and go over a 360 jump hook. Now what I want to do over the next 3 weeks is build up a sequence of kicking techniques. So that would include jump kicks and normal kicks into a long sequence. So over the next few weeks, if you stay tuned, you'll be able to build up each week and add to the sequence that we're creating. So before we get into today's tutorial, I just want to go over the importance of being able to do a hook kick and a spin hook kick before you practice today's drill. I can't stress enough the importance in being able to do those 2 kicks before adding the jump into the concoction of this move. So with that being said, let's move on. The first thing we want to do is start in a stance, one leg in front of the other, and our kicking leg goes in the front. Pivot that front foot. From here, we're going to pick up this back knee and drive it round as if we was going to do a turning kick or round kick. But we're not going to extend the leg, we're just going to keep the knee chamber. So again, we have pivot that front foot, pick up the back leg in a turning or round kick position. We're going to continue the rotation round, look over that back shoulder, pick up the opposite foot as if we was going to throw a hook kick. But we don't throw the kick just yet. Okay, that's all I want you to practice and drill first off. Pivot, pick up that back knee, look over the back shoulder, switch, and bring it round. When you get more confident with that, just let it flow. Another way of practicing this move before going into the full shebang is to do a hop into a spin hook kick. So from here, we have our fighting stance. My kicking leg is in the front again. I'm going to pivot on that front foot as we did previously. Pick up the back leg and hop onto it this time. So I'm going to hop here. Now instead of coming round here and doing it with the knee like we did previously, we're going to extend the hook kick on this drill. Again, pivot that front foot. We're going to hop onto that back leg. Hop, extend. Now, when you're comfortable with both of the exercises we've done previously, it's now time to put them together. So you want to do the turning knee kick into that switch rotation in the air and do the spin hook kick all in one. Get comfortable, have a play around, and enjoy it.